Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be going into a beauty device which is from FOREO, Sweden, and it is the UFO number 2. So if ever you want to know all the details about this product, make sure to watch all the way to the end, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So let's get into it. First of all, I just want to say thank you so much to FOREO Sweden for sending me this product. This video is in partnership with FOREO, so this is amazing. And even if it is in partnership, all of my opinions, everything is 100% my own. I am always 100% honest with you guys every time that I post a video or a review. In the packaging, you have a charging cable, you have also the FOREO UFO device, and then you have a little stand that you can have next to your counter, which I think is amazing because I just leave it there. I see it every morning, it's talking to me and I'm like, ooh, I need to use it. So every morning and night. I know I'm crazy when I use a beauty device. So let's start applying with the FOREO Sweden device. So I'm gonna be doing the Make My Day today. This is so amazing because I need this hydration. My skin has been so dry, it's insane. Dry, acne prone, and all of these things. We all love this thing. So this one is with hyaluronic acid and red algae. There's 7 masks in this one, and I take one, I cut it with my scissors because I don't want to rip it because, you know, I don't like this. I like a straight line. I like a smooth line. So I just take the device, I take the little pad, the mask that comes in it, I put it on the device itself. I start it, so you have to hold it for 3 seconds to hold it. Then the light will open, pulsate, and then you can Bluetooth it or pair it with your phone on the application that we're going to talk about later. So then you can choose the treatment that you want, the sheet mask that you want. So I'm going to go with the treatment that comes for Make My Day on my dry skin. As you can see, it is dry beforehand, and then we will start applying right away.
Use a circular motion as you gently glide UFO across your face and neck, distributing mask essence evenly.
Allow your mind and body to slowly awaken as the red LED and a gentle warmth prepare your skin to receive the full benefits of this complex. Relax and enjoy a soothing facial massage as T-sonic pulsations infuse moisture into your skin for a radiant, healthy-looking complexion. As the warmth gradually decreases, the anti-pollution formula is locked into skin, while the green LED helps reveal a brighter, more even skin tone for an all-day glow.
You're coming to the end of your treatment. Take a few more seconds to relax and enjoy, and prepare to feel refreshed.
Your smart mask treatment is now complete. If you'd like, you can repeat the treatment. Otherwise, secure the UFO activated mask.
Use a circular motion as you gently glide UFO across your face and neck.
It's explaining you the light therapy, the warmth, the coldness depending. It's explaining the LEDs that is happening on your skin as well. It's giving you some spa-like music so you can close your eyes and feel very, very soft and just stress-free. Honestly, it's really amazing. What I do usually is with that one sheet mask that I take, I do 2 or 3 turns depending. If I do put like a spray beforehand on my skin to prep my skin, then I'm gonna do 3 because you can repeat the treatment. And if I only have the mask on my FOREO device, I'm gonna use it a second time, and then everything is gonna be absorbed into my skin. And I always go all around my face, all up on my eyes, under my eyes, because my under eyes are so dry. I also go down my neck because I want this deliciousness to get into my skin and just really nourish my skin that really needs it. So the benefits of this one is a supercharged 2-minute facial at home with cooling therapy and also heat therapy that you have in there. So it becomes either hot or cold depending on the serum or the mask that you want to pair it with, which is amazing, and it's going to help penetrate in your skin deeper. And it's the same with the pulsations that you have within the device. It's really going to make sure that everything gets into your skin, it gets absorbed very well and very deep into your skin. So that's just amazing to have these two paired together. And I was actually surprised when there was cooling therapy with this device. I've never really tried it, but the cooling sensation of this one is so good. I was like, oh my God, I never thought that a device could become that cold before. And it's just really cold. Like it's 5 degrees. This is really, really cold for your face. And I love the cooling effect, especially to close down my pores if I want, to just like finish off the treatment. You know, like you start with heat and then you go down with the cold. And it also helps relax my face because my face is always so tense. I'm just tense by nature, and this is just like, and I'm just like, oh my God. I feel like I'm at the spa. And then sometimes I do it in the bath and I just go and I'm like, ooh, like massaging my face, my neck, and it just feels so amazing on my skin. And of course, you can rinse this device. You can put it near water. It is completely waterproof. So that's why even if you're taking a bath to relax, you can just go and be like, ooh, and you're relaxing all day. And I want to talk about the wavelength of the LEDs because I absolutely love LED lights for the skin. I've been using it for a long time now, and I just love the benefits of it and the research behind it as well. And this one has 8 different wavelengths that you can go to. There's multiple colors, as you can see right here, even on the app in the smart controls. So I'm going to go on the Foreo website for this one because I don't want to say anything wrong. So there is red LED that will stimulate the production of collagen and elastin to firm and lift the skin, which is amazing. The blue LED minimizes imperfections, destroyed P. acne bacteria to stop breakouts, and stabilizes overactive oil production, and it mitigates inflamed acne and nasty lesions. Also, there's the green light, evens out skin tone, brightens dull complexions, and softens age spots, dark circles, and other discolorations. You have white LED, which is the longest wavelength and reaches the deeper into the skin than any other color. It tightens, reduces puffiness, activates the skin's natural renewal system, and produces a general rejuvenating effect. There's purple LED. Is a combination of red and blue light that helps eliminate toxins, boost radiance, pacify inflammation, and accelerate healing, which I need this for my face full of acne. Of course, right now I have makeup. I just wanted to look cute for the video. You have orange LED, which eases the sun damage and revitalizes skin for a healthy glow. I'm so sorry, I can't speak English. And yellow LED soothes sunburn, softens rosacea, combats swelling, and improves overall skin tone. There's also cyan LED, which is a light blue. It is anti-inflammatory bluish green light that calms stressed out skin. It has been proven to promote healing, reduce the size of swollen capillaries, and block pain. So to use this device, you have to download the app on your phone and you have to pair your device with the application. So how to pair it, you just hold it for 3 seconds and the light is going to pulsate white, and then you're going to be able to, pair it with your phone. Like me, I already did it, so I can't really show it to you guys. So because I've been owning the device for a while. And you have device info, how to use it, how to care for your device. You can find your device as well. You have treatments, which is your mask that you have. At the moment, I have 2. I'm going to be talking about them a little bit later in the video. There's sheet masks written under as well. And when you click on that, there's going to be all of the masks that you can have with your device, that you can pair with it, that you can buy on their website or any other website. So when you go into settings, you can change the light if you want to have a personalized experience of your own. You can have heat or cooling effect, and you can have low or high pulsations on your skin. And you just decide all of these things and how long the treatments you want is going to be. And I like that it's showing how much battery you have on your device as well at the top right for me. And then you have these smart controls as well on this app, which you can choose your own light that you want. You can choose how much pulsations you have, and you can also choose the temperatures that you want. So do you want hot? Do you want cool? And then you can play with the temperature as well. And usually I would take this, the smart controls, when I want to use it with a serum and not only with a mask, because you can use it with a mask and you can use it with a serum as well. And talking about these mask formulas, I have 2 at the moment. I have the Call It a Night and the Make My Day. So these 2, I've been testing them out as well, and both of them, they are so amazing. So this one, I use it in the morning. I have the hydrating hyaluronic acid and red algae in here. There's so much product in there. They are very, very generous in the amount of product they put in there. So what I do usually with that is I, take the little pad out, which is the mask, and then I put it there and I keep it in my cabinets because there are so much product. If I use all of the product for my tiny face, it is too much. So I keep it on the side as a serum by its own. So it's like I have 14 masks in there, but I have 7. So I put it, I keep it, and I open it with my scissors so I don't rip and it's not weird. So then it can be preserved more easily. And when I reuse it, I don't personally put them back on the device. When I use the device, I go with my fingers in there. I put it straight on my skin, apply it everywhere, and then I go on the device to really make sure that everything gets absorbed really quickly. And like I said, this is so quick, 2 minutes. You're done. So it's an amazing treatment for that. And 2 minutes in the morning is just amazing. And even at night, 2 minutes at night, I do the same with the Call It a Night, revitalizing, I'm sorry, I can't speak, and nourishing ginseng and olive oil, which this one I really love. It is so hydrating and moisturizing to the skin. My skin is really dry. It's just dry, it's dry. And this one really makes sure that it is nourished so then it gets repaired at night. And I have this thing where it's so dry that it creates fine lines, and the fine lines just get so much smoother because this is so hydrating. And the olive oil in there is not clogging my pores. The first time I tried it, I tried the whole mask. Like I put the whole thing on my face. I didn't wipe it off. I don't recommend to wipe it off because you really want to keep it in your skin to make sure that you get all the nutrients in your skin overnight. And my skin just felt so much better the next day. So hydrating, so smooth, so firm, so plump, and all of these things. This mask paired with the device is just amazing. And if I had to choose between both of them, I feel like this one, Call It a Night, is absolutely the best, my favorite, because it is so much more hydrating than this one, just because it's at night. So it needs a little bit more hydration at night to really repair all of these things that happen throughout the day. And there's so many masks that you can go check out on the website. There's this one, like I said, there's multiple like cannabis ones. You have ones from honey, rose, Bulgarian rose. You have so many good ones that I cannot wait to try. Oh my God, on my skin is tingling to get it. It's just tingling to get it. And also, I just want to talk about how to use it with a serum. So for example, if you want to use it because you love using it, I love using it day and night. I'm that crazy. I just love it. You can use any serum that you want. I go for a hyaluronic acid serum with B5. So I have this one from The Ordinary. I have another one from Huda Beauty, Wishful. And, I switch my serums depending on what I want to do at night. Depending what I want to treat at night. And I apply it on my hand a good amount. Like you don't want just one pump. You want maybe a pump and a half, maybe, depending on your serum. You put it there, you go around on your skin, and then you just put your smart controls, or even if you want to have the same control as one of the masks that you have, you can click on the mask and it's going to start, and you just do the treatment as if you had, for example, this mask or another mask. And it's just amazing. I just love using this device. All right, so do I recommend this product after using it? I feel like talking about the price because we're to that point, right? So this one is $350 Canadian, and it is quite a lot of money, but honestly, this is such a device that I love and that I use every single day that I feel like it's so worth it. And the fact that it is waterproof, you can clean it properly, you can have it on your little vanity if you want. It just looks cute. It makes you feel good morning and night. It helps rejuvenate my skin. It helps hydrate it as well because my dry skin just needs some help. It's crazy. And I see a difference when I use this device compared to no device, that the products get so much more into my skin, and my skin is just so more hydrated that way. And I know I have makeup on now, but I showed you some clips before and after, how my skin looked, how much more plump it is, how much more youthful it is. And it's just amazing. Just good things to say about this device. The design, amazing. You have the plaque here with the FOREO logo. It is absolutely good. The ring, and if ever something happens to the ring, you can buy another ring. You don't have to worry about that. It just amazing. There's replacements. I think they're $15 on their website. You can go check it out if you want. It's going to be listed down below, of course. And it's just a little piece of joy. Honestly, it is just so good. And yeah, so if ever you tried the FOREO beauty device before, please tell me down below. I would love to know. And yeah, make sure to like the video if you like these beauty device reviews, because I love doing them. I'm gonna continue doing them because I love them so much. And also make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys.